Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime I go live. And I think that's everything YouTube requires me to say. Okay, today we have chicken enchiladas. First thing we got to do is make our enchilada sauce. So, to a pot, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we want to add 4 tablespoons of flour. And basically, you want to whisk this until a nice roux forms. And then it's time that we add 8 tablespoons. You heard that correct. 8 tablespoons of chili powder, along with 2 teaspoons of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of oregano. And then you want to add 4.5 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock, your choice. Lastly, we want to add 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. And then, give this a nice little whisk. Make sure everything is combined. And then you want to simmer this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And what we have here is 3 cups of cooked chicken, specifically cooked chicken breast. You can use thighs if you prefer, but you'll need 3 cups of cooked chicken and then a half a cup of that enchilada sauce we made. And then you just want to give this a quick stir around just to make sure the sauce, of course, coats the chicken. Looking for something a little bit like this. Okay, it should look a little bit something like that when you're done. All right, let's start making enchiladas. Okay, we have our tortilla spread, and then we want to take some of our chicken, start wrapping it up, but remember that we would like to have some cheese with this. So add just a little bit of cheese, wrap it up, and place it wrap side down in our baking dish. By the way, you should be preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, so we have our tortillas ready to go. We're going to add our enchilada sauce that we made, completely covering the top. And then we're going to cover this in cheese. It's enchiladas. They're not supposed to be healthy. After 20 minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this. Then just let this rest for about 10 minutes, and we should be able to start cutting out our enchiladas. Okie dokie, and just serving on a plate. And, yeah. And I gotta say, these were really good. They were on the spicy side. If you don't want it so spicy, cut back on the chili powder. But these were really, really good. Anyway, chicken enchiladas. Done.